Hello, it's your boy, Carlos Garcia, the Miami Public Adjuster. And today is a beautiful day. Today is literally one of the most beautiful days that I ever seen here in Miami. There's no clouds. It's about 65 degrees. It's just amazing. Like, let's just take this in real quick. Look at this. This is beautiful. You could literally see the floor, the ocean floor, the bay, the base. This is beautiful, guys. So you guys already know I'm the Miami Public Adjuster. You know, we're gonna take a walk. I'm the Miami Public Adjuster, and what I do is I help out homeowners that got property damage, right? You know, some of you guys watching this may have been helped by me before. You know, some of you guys never heard of what a public adjuster is. So, you know, I own my own company, Garcia Adjustment Corp. And what public adjusters do is public adjusters help out homeowners that got property damage. Look at this day. Look at this. So public adjusters help out homeowners that got property damage. We live in Florida, you know, South Florida, and you know, it's been a trend of hurricanes coming through the state of Florida over the last couple years, last 2 years. So hurricane damage, water damage, you know, kitchen leaks, broken pipes, you know, bathrooms, ACs, you know, different type of water damages like that. Let me give you guys the real view. So that's what I do. I help out homeowners when the insurance doesn't want to pay the homeowner. That's what I do. So I have been a public adjuster for about 5 years, going on 5 years. Let's actually sit right here and enjoy the sun. You know, no need to sit in the shade when you have a beautiful day like this. All you need is I have some water, but you know, a nice cup of coffee, nice conversation is definitely a compliment to this. But this is beautiful. You can see the island right there. You can see the skyline of Alton. This is the Alton side, the inner side of the South Beach. But let's get back to it. I'm just gonna freestyle it. This is my first official video on my GoPro for public adjusting, for my public adjusting channel, which is the Miami Public Adjuster. You know, you search Miami Public Adjuster, you're gonna see me. So I've been doing public adjusting for about 4 years. I have my story. For those of you that know me, you know, some of you may know the story, but pretty much, and I'm not gonna go into this a lot of times. You know, I'm not gonna go into my personal story. I'll do some personal things, but because not only do I want to talk about the business, I want to, that's insight for the homeowners, but this is also a channel where I can show you guys who is the person running this business, who is the person behind it. Because I like other things too, you know. I like sports, I like baseball, I like traveling. So definitely really great. Hold on a second. I need to turn off my phone because it's recording time. So this is the story of me becoming a public adjuster, right? So graduated college, played baseball, went to college, did everything, you know, they tell you to do. But for me, those things didn't work out for me. You know, I'm not a guy that runs through the program, so to speak. You know, my codes are very short. My codes are not long term. Now, my passion for what I do is long term, but I'm not into go to school for 8 years and pay off the loan and all of that, even though I already got involved in that. But anyways, came back from college to Miami and didn't know what to do with my life, right? I had a friend that showed me the ropes, and eventually when the hurricane came, that was the opportunity for me to step out into the world as a real business and help out the community here in all over in South Florida, in Orlando, in Fort Myers, and now in Panama, still helping out people from Panama City down, working the whole state of Florida. But definitely that was a great opportunity for me, and that's pretty much the story. So I always knew I wanted to be a business person. I always knew I wanted to have money, and I wanted to impact people's lives positively. And I like what I do because as a public adjuster, I get to help people, and I don't charge them up front. I do my job, and when I prove my results, then the homeowner is able to move forward with their life. They're able to fix their house, fix their property the way that they need to, and you know, things just are all swell, and I make a little bit of money too. So I feel like that's a good experience, you know, considering the trade. The trade is you provide the service, and then you reap benefits, but it's benefits that are earned through work. You know, there's several steps in a claim, you know, and we can go through those steps maybe in another video, maybe now, you know, you never know, depends how I'm feeling. But you know, I provide my service, and then people are happy, and they gladly pay me for my service, you know, because I did what I told them I was going to do. I stay in contact with them the whole time. I even stay in contact with some of my homeowners even way after the claim is done, you know. So it's always I try to have the best relationship with my people, every single person that I work with, because I remember the days when I was knocking on doors, and people would look at me weird. People didn't want to work with me. You know, it was just not a good look in the beginning. But I stuck with it. I stuck to my guns. I knew that at some point Things will take a turn, and my experience will speak for itself. My overall confidence will speak for itself, and my knowledge will speak for itself when it comes to this business. I didn't know everything in the beginning, but now I feel like there's nothing that can just go by. Wow, we have a manatee here. Oh my God. Actual manatee just went by here. Where is he? That was amazing. I hope you guys caught that. I really hope you guys caught that. This is amazing. In these waters, you will see manatees, you will see dolphins, you'll see fish. That was amazing right there. A manatee. I love South Florida. I love Miami. Alright, so let's go to something else about let's go one business and one personal thing. Alright, so another business thing. So how do public adjusters help people? Public adjusters help people by keeping the insurance honest. Most homeowners don't know the process of a claim. Most homeowners don't know the value of their damage, and they entrust in their insurance company to do right by them. But we all know that doesn't happen. We all know that the insurance will tell you, I'll write for what I see. We want to help you. You know, did you do this? Did you do that? And then, down the line, they either tell you that the damage wasn't enough, or they deny you, or this or that, right? That's not cool. But that's what the insurance does. That's how they work. And just face it, they have to do that. Why? Because if they were just to pay everybody every cent that they owed, they wouldn't make money. They wouldn't make as much money as they're spending now. And that's just a fact. Not going at the insurance industry. I am a part of the insurance industry myself, but I represent homeowners. That's what I do. I don't insure homeowners. I represent homeowners against insurance companies. So that's what Garcia Adjustment Corp does. Don't come at Carlos Garcia. Go at Garcia Adjustment Corp if you want. No. But that's what public adjusters do. They keep the insurance honest. We evaluate damages. We negotiate claims. We help homeowners with the mortgage process, and I help you from A to Z, from the point. If you call me right if you call us, Garcia Adjustment Corp, 786-257-9023. If you call us, when it happens, we'll take a look at it. If you call us after the insurance went, we'll go take a look at it. If you call us when you got denied, we'll go and we'll take a look at it. Right? Because we can always help a homeowner when they need it. So that's what Garcia Adjustment Corp does. That's what public adjusters do. And it's a great service. It's a great business to be a part of. So What's going on? What else? What else can we talk about? What else can we talk about? Are all insurance companies the same? I would say yes, pretty much. Yes, all insurance companies run the same. They're just different names, different coverages, but they all run off the same model. Pretty much, they do the same thing. They evaluate claims, and but they have different factors to look at. They care about how much the deductible is. They care about caps and limits and endorsements and exclusions. But public adjusters, we don't think about that. We just think about the job. What is the job that needs to be done? That is fair, that is correct, as far as the type of job that it needs. If you got a room that is 4 walls, right? We're not gonna charge. Oh, here's another manatee. We're not gonna charge for I hope you guys saw that. We're not gonna charge for 3 walls when we know it's 4 walls. If it's 4 walls, it's 4 walls, right? So we always think about how would a contractor do it. Not every adjuster has contractor experience, but it's okay. You can get around that. You can make it happen legit. When I say legit, I mean you can have a legitimate scope of work done, and then you see that these jobs are kind of the same. Every kitchen is the same, every bathroom is the same, every roof is the same. The key components are the same. Just taking a drink of water. Eternal.